Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. Today, I have a try it, don't buy it for you. I love this series. Today, we are going to try bomb bags. These are from Rhode Island Novelty, and you can get them on Amazon, or you can get them at rhodeislandnovelty.com. And we are going to try one out on camera to see whether we should try it or don't buy it. Get prepared. So this is your box of bomb bags. It comes with 72. It comes with 6 dozen, 72. So these can be great for like goodie gifts. I'm going to take out a couple of these. I'm going to show you how they work. So inside each one of these little bomb bags, you will feel there's a little pillow inside there. You push on that pillow until it breaks, and immediately you see it starts to puff up. This always makes me so nervous. Now it does say 14 and up, but I found that with adult supervision, 7 and 8, 9-year-olds are fine, but it does say 14 and up, just so you know. Inside, what's happening here is just a very simple chemical reaction, and that is you've got this little pillow, and that pillow is filled with vinegar. And when you pop it, it mixes with the baking soda that's inside there. Because this is sealed, the pressure builds up and then it explodes. Now sometimes, just to let you know, it takes longer for some to pop than others. So this one may pop, but it might take 10, 15 minutes for it to do so sometimes. And that's what's kind of fun with these, is you just never know when they're going to explode. People who get impatient can jump on them. There you see, they're pretty darn fun. So you decide, try it, don't buy it. Personally, I think these things are super fun, and there's a lot of ways that you could use these. So for me, I say buy it. But I also understand that there are a lot of you out there that are probably worried about the environment. And if you're worried about the environment, then I would say don't try it. But for fun, I say buy it. For more try it's, don't buy it, check us out, Sophie-World.com.